Hello guys, so today we are going to solve this problem. We have root x plus root x is equal to 32. So we start by writing 1 over here because 1 root x is the same thing as root x. In mathematics, it's safe to say there is 1 there and there is 1 also there. So now 1 root x plus 1 root x should definitely give us 2 root x equal to 32. So now we divide both sides by 2. So this becomes 2 root x is equal to 32. You divide by 2, you divide by 2. 2 cancels each other here. 2 here is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 32 will give us 16. So we are left with root x is equal to 16. So now to clear that square root here, to remove square root, from x, we square both sides. So giving this to x, we square both sides. So this means root x equals to 16. So we square both sides. And in this situation, this square cancels the square root because that was the plan initially. So now we are left with what? X. Our x is equal to 16 times 16, which is equal to, so this becomes 256. So now let's check if we are actually correct. Let's check if our answer is correct. I love doing this as when I'm dealing with equations. So to check if our answer is actually correct, here we say that our x is equal to 256. So from the equation here, we start by replacing this x in the equation 256. So this is root 256 plus root 256, and this is equal to root 256 will give us 16. Root 256 will give us 16 plus root 256 will also give us 16 here. Therefore 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. So our answer is correct. See you guys next time. Bye.